Might just be doing a biopic, but I can't announce it right now. But it will be very interesting. But I might just be.
मेरा काम हो गया. What's your guilty pleasure movie that you watch over and over again?
Well, Friends is something I used to watch over and over again, and I have watched. Weirdly, I watched Narcos a few times. I really like that show. And,
If you were a superhero, what would be your superpower?
people see me the way I want them to see me.
Okay. One word to
Mind
describe.
games. Mind games?
No, just convenient perception. I think I have a problem with perception. I'm good with reality.
One word to describe your chemistry with Kriti.
I think we have like very natural chemistry.
Okay. When's the next season of Farzi coming?
I wish I knew. I really don't know. Everybody asks me this question. I think that they'll write it at some point and then maybe next year we'll do it. But I don't